Hello guys, it's your boy Mark from Random Talk and you're welcome to another episode of today's video. So in today's video I will show you how you can create a Facebook account and all the necessary steps needed to create your perfect and befitting Facebook account. So guys, without wasting more of our time, let's go into it. Okay guys, so first thing you need on this process to create your Facebook account is a device, being Android, iOS, Java, or whatever device it is with internet connection. So once your device is set, you just have to head onto your App Store, Play Store, or whatever store it is, and go onto the search bar and type in Facebook. So this is how your Facebook apps look like. So you just have to press download onto it, but if you already have it download, you just have to click onto open. Okay, so once you've clicked onto open, you just have to go on to sign up. That is sign up. If you're a new user, you have to go on to sign up, but if you're an old user, that is if you already have an account with Facebook, you just have to log in. So as a new user, this is how you create your account. Here you need to put in your first name. You can put in whatever name you wish. So we just have to put in our first name, should be Thomas. Okay, here you need your second name, so you can put whatever second name you wish. That is it. So here you can input your phone number or your email address. Okay, and here is where you need to create your password. So you need to put in a password for security reason, that's to secure your account. Okay, so if you scroll downward, this is it. Here you need to input your date of birth. So first thing is the date in which you were born. So you have from the 1st to the 30th, so you can choose in a day within that. Okay, so I've chosen this day. And secondly, you have to go into the month which you were born. That's you have 12 months in a year, so you have to choose in one. Okay, and thirdly, you have to go into the year which you were born, so you have to go into it. And also, please, for a reminder, I think to have a Facebook account you must be 18 years plus, so you have to go on to something like 2000. So here and then you scroll downward. This is it, you scroll downward a little. Okay, so here you have to put in your gender, if you're a female or if you're a male, so you just have to click in your gender. Okay, so once you're clicking your gender, you just have to click on to sign up as seen here. Facebook will send you a notification code through your email to ensure that that email belongs to you, which Facebook will then demand for the code. Then once you're done, you click on to continues. Takes you to a menu which shows that okay, you have successfully confirmed your account with the email. You will use this email address to log in. That you can choose if you wish to use the email address to log in or not. Okay, so let me just say yes, I wish to use. Okay, so that is it. So I have to click on to continue. So okay, that is it. So here is your Facebook profile. This is how a Facebook profile looks like. So okay, so to make your account look very good, if you come here, you just see some random stuff about your account. That is at the left hand corner. This is it here, where you will receive messages. That's Messenger, and here is where you will get your notification on Facebook. There is some more stuff that are happening on Facebook. Here you will get the notification. Okay, so to make your account look perfectly good, you can come here where you can find friends. Like you find friends, people you wish to know and people you might know. Okay, and also here is where you can create in a story. That you put in a story on your Facebook profile. You will see video. Here is where you can upload your photos and video, and you can able to view them. You understand? So okay, on our account, we just have to click on to rename that. This is our profile, Facebook profile. If you take a look at it, everything is still blank. This is it. If you see, this is how your Facebook profile looks like. You see, this is the date of birth. That is it, and everything about it is so blank. Okay, yes, where you can add in a profile picture. If you say add a cover photo, and yes, if you click onto here, you can add in your profile picture. Once you've added a cover photo and a profile picture on your Facebook page, your Facebook account, this is how your Facebook account will look like. And to perfectly use Facebook, you just have to go onto your browser again and download Messenger. Messenger is an app of communication, which from there you can use it to communicate with people. Okay, if you come onto your bio, that's still on your Facebook page, here you can add your bio. That's bio like little stuff about you, like where you come from, where you live, so that friends and family can easily locate you. So in there, if you scroll downward a little, this is it. Here you can add any hobby that's actually what you like, and other stuff you can add them there, so you understand. And yeah, if you wish to edit your details, that's your details you put on Facebook, you can do that and see all your photos and every stuff you have been uploading on Facebook. And if you wish to see all your friends and those that have sent you friendly requests, this is it here. Actually, you can see them all here. If you scroll upward as I'm doing, this is your face. This is how the Facebook account look like. Okay, so if you come here, so this is it about. So if you click onto about, okay, so this is the about. This one is everything about you. Understand? So here you can add in your workplace if you're a worker and where you work. So based on your location, you can add in your workplace here. You can add in your high school here, the school you went to. You can add in your university. You can add in your current city. That's your current city. That's where you're living at the moment. So you can add it here. This is your current city. And here you can add a hometown. Understand? Hometown, that's where you come from and other stuff. So if you click downward on education, is the same thing. You can add in your education, where you went to school and place of life and everything. So here are contact info for those that create Facebook for some personal business stuff. So here you can add in your contact info if someone wish to get you. So if you see on our Facebook profile, this is it. I can add in my phone number here. So it makes it easier for me to log into my account once I lost my information. Okay, so this is it. Family and relationship, this is mostly for people that are related on Facebook. That if you have brother, sister, you can put in their names here. If you see they say add a family member. So okay, if you have a family on Facebook, or a wife, you can actually say okay, related to this person. But for now, that is our account. That is it. There is details about you. So that's the details about me there. It talks everything about me, name, pronunciation, and other names, and everything. Favorite code, that's everything about me. I can put in there if I wish to make the account looks good. And also it's very good you feel all this information about your account, because it really gives a good physical appearance of your account. And yeah, you can put in an album to add a lot of stuff. And if you're a sporter, you love sport, here you can put in your favorite sport. Yes. Okay, music, if you're a fan of music, here you can put in your favorite artists and other stuff and your music. If you're someone that loves movie, here you can add in movies, and you just have to go onto the search, the three dot here you can search in a movie title and put. If you're someone that loves TV program, here where you can put in a lot of TV program to make your account look good. So guys, this is our Facebook account. So here you can edit your profile. Editing your profile means you can edit your name and other personal information about you. And also, once you've created your account, you need to be careful about your password and your name, because actually that's what you need to log into your account whatever time you want to do it. And also, it's usually possible that you don't share your account with someone. So if someone sends you a friend request, this is it. You say everything on this notification. As said earlier, to use Facebook is great. You get Messenger, which you can use it to communicate with people directly. So once someone sends you a message, you can see them here. So guys, this is how our Facebook profile looks like. Though it's kind of empty, but once you do everything, this is how your conclusion of your Facebook profile look like. So guys, I wish you the best as you say this, and please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. But if you get anything, you can drop it at the comment section where I'm there to see you.